Hello, this is Yemis from Yemizkitchen, where we cook African dish, where we make African cuisine, African menu, African flavor with all American ingredients. Today, I am making sauteed spaghetti or sauteed noodles. I'm going to name this Topper's dish. I went to Nigeria 3 years ago and I did make this in her house, and she requested me to make this video for her because she just loved it. It's just a sauteed spaghetti, but I put my twist on it, and she loves it so much because it was hot and spicy. What you're going to need for this is going to be, the main ingredient is spaghetti. You don't have to kill your budget. Do it as you want and as much as your budget. You don't have to use all this. You can use one thing, which is chicken or just one meat. You don't have to do all this. The main ingredients is spaghetti. I bought the spaghetti for $1 something in Kroger's, and you're gonna need tomatoes, habanero pepper, scallions, green pepper. It's optional, whatever you want to use, but you have to use 1 or 2 vegetables in it. The biggest one is the onion. Then because my children loves meatballs, I'm gonna chop some meatballs for them. Salt, bouillon flavor, chicken bouillon. For this menu, I'm going to use shrimp Titus. I used Titus fish for her and she loved it. I think I used Titus fish for her when I went to Nigeria, and chicken, and it was the bomb. That was finished within 5 minutes. And mussels, because one of my children love mussels, that's especially for him. So let's go to the pot. I'm already boiling water. I salted the, like I said, I salted the water. Then I'm going to put the spaghetti in. The water is already boiling, and I've already salted it. So I'm going to break the spaghetti and put the spaghetti in it. This is the way I cook mine. And this is 2-pound spaghetti because it's gonna finish. This is finishing within 2 days. Two meal in my day in my house because my husband loves it too. Don't forget, whenever you cook, always taste your food. Always taste your food. Because, okay, this is it. I'm gonna add more water just to cover it. Then we'll come back to it. While the pasta is cooking, I'm going to start by putting 2 spoons of canola oil in the frying pan. Then I'm going to saute the vegetable. First, we start with the onions, then the fish, because it takes longer time. I'm using Titus fish, like I said, it takes a longer time. I don't want to put the fish by itself. I want to saute it. I want it to have flavor because it will flavor the pasta. So this is going to take a while. Don't try sauteing this at home. I'm using my hand. Don't do it at home. I just did because I thought it was safe. So I'm going to allow this to cook for a while before I add the other seasoning. Here's the habanero pepper. If you know you don't have the heart for it and you can't take it, do not try it. I love habanero pepper. So don't do it if you know that you cannot stand the heat. I like this dish hot. Then the tomatoes, the green peppers, and I'll use my scallion later. So I'm going to cover it and let it cook for a while. Then I'm going to season this later with salt and bouillon seasoning. Oh wow, it's smelling nice in here. Okay, this will take another 5 minutes of cooking. Now here you can see I've added the sausage, the meatballs, now the shrimp, and the mussels. One of my children loves this mussel, so I always add it in my seafood dishes. Now the pasta is done. I'm rinsing it out so I can clean out some of the starch in it. I don't like my sauteed pasta starchy. So I've drained it. I'm going to return it back into the sauteed sauce like this. So you fold it in and cover it to simmer for like 5 minutes. Then the pasta is done. I folded it in and I put the bouillon chicken seasoning in it. And I decided to put some charcuterie, some tripe in it. And now this is where you put the scallions. Give it a color. I'm going to fold that in. And voila, we're done. And I'll serve it and show you. So let's go to the table. You're watching. This is the end of the cooking. The sauteed spaghetti with, it's just called sauteed spaghetti, but I'm going to say Tope's spaghetti. That's requested by Tope, my niece. This is it's very, very delicious. I hope you try it, and if you try and it's good, let me know. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Love you. Don't forget, always stand by your promise and your words.